park on a curb without,
That's true.
without.
You want to be able to
roll it straight into the tires. Yeah.
Want to run over palm fronds without like messing anything up, right?
I want to hit speed bumps without stopping.
Exactly. Yeah. It's like they don't want to trouble themselves to drive around the palm frond. They'd rather just drive over it, right? It's like, come on, bro. Like,
well, I mean, that's what your car looked like. I'm sure when it was stock.
Yeah. Oh, it was awful. Yeah. D90 stock, and it's like
lit.
I mean, yeah, fire like
to see
all day long. Yeah. I think there was a pair of New Balances in the front when I picked it up.
The Corvette specials?
Yeah, exactly.
Tommy Bahama shirt.
I was like, yo, the starter kit's in here?
Yeah,
exactly. I was like, the starter kit's in here? For real? Sunroof's open, has a Hawaiian like girl dancing on the dash. Like,
that's pretty lit. Actually, that's perfect for you, bro. You're Hawaiian.
Exactly.
That would actually look pretty cool in
there.
there.
Get it done, right?
Yeah,
exactly. Be like, this is my car, right?
No, that's like my car. Like I bought it off my 993. I bought it off some 77-year-old lady. Like, she's like, oh, are you gonna like bring it back to its glory? I was like, don't worry, I'll send you pictures when it's done. She's like, what the fuck did you do to my car? Like, send her pictures like 2 years later. She's like, I don't even what the fuck
what
is that
banana spoiler you have on there?
Yeah, why do you have
what did you do to
spoiler
this?
the size of the car on it?
Yeah. Why is there a turbo on there now? Like, what happened to this thing?
Why is the bumper cut?
Yeah. Literally. Why is it so low?
It's because I like chicks.
Yeah. Or I like dicks.
Yeah. We talked about that earlier. The
That
cars
shit attracts more guys than girls.
Cars
But,
all of these cars that the way we mod them or even the way we do them, they're dick magnets, man. I swear to God, you go to get gas or a stoplight, every dude out is hanging out the window, trolling
fucking sick, and you're like, yeah, bro, thanks.
Exactly.
But you like
want to
that,
be your
though.
best friend, bro?
Yeah, like,
can we hang out? Yeah. You want to get some Bud Lights later, bro? No, leave me the fuck alone. I feel uncomfortable.
It's fucking weird, man.
Exactly. Just say thumbs up and move on, please. But I mean, we're just those kind of guys. We're just cut from that cloth. I mean, we always mod. And I was telling somebody, I think I was telling you, I couldn't own something that was like a cherry, like unmodded, because I would bastardize it. Like I don't have the bone in me to have any discipline to not, so I don't belong owning that car.
Right.
Like I need a modded car. I don't think I've ever owned anything that's even been stock. Even my daily diesel truck driver, it's raised, it's got mud terrains on it, it's like it's got exhaust, it's got a tune,
or something even like a super low mileage. You're like scared to drive it. You're like, I don't want to put miles on it.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
I don't even shop those cars because I know myself well enough. I know me. I'm not that guy because I have no business owning that car because I will get it, I'll pay up for it because it has low miles on it, and then I'll scumbag it. It's like, why did you do that? And I'm like, bro, I don't know.
My daily's like slam tuned, like it's a Range Rover. And
it's
blown up the rear end already once.
Yeah,
exactly. That's just we're different people.
I know.
We're not that guy.
And we're those guys. And like you said, we're those guys that are at the Concord. They're just like, oh my God, these guys are here.
They're talking shit about the cars. And we're like behind the car, like, look at these guys.
Exactly.
Like, look at these guys talking shit about some guy's nice car.
Exactly.
Like, bro, we were at Amelia, I think last year. And some guys got a beautiful 996 turbo, like one of the baddest modified cars I've seen in a long time.
Mm-hmm.
And you can see the judges coming around, and they're starting to they start judging the car, and they point out like it had GT2 RS vents in the front fenders, which it looked pretty dope, And the guy starts explaining to them, and they're like, we don't really care.
What?
And the guy was like, what do you,
wow.
But I'm just explaining, we don't really care about that stuff. Like straight up, to his face. And I saw that guy's face, he was shocked.
Yeah.
And I was like, bro, I can't do this.
Yeah.
I couldn't even watch this. I was cringing.
Yeah.
I was like, these guys are such,
Yeah,
I'm not saying, again, not every concourse guy is an asshole. But
exactly. I know what you're saying, though.
Those the judges are going around, they're literally we don't really care, what you did to the car. I don't know why he said, you've already told us enough. Thank you. And the guy was like,
just a total dick.
Yeah, what a dickhead.
Yeah.
And that's what you deal with.
Exactly.
You could take your 10,000 mile car there with its original tires.
Exactly.
But if you want to drive it from Miami to there or somewhere, you're not. That's not the car to do it.
No. Yeah, exactly. One of our cars, it's got rock chips and bumper scrapes because we scrape.
It's a driver, bro.
Yeah, exactly.
We should take some rat-rotted fucking Porsche and just park that thing in the center.
You should.
Have it judged.
I mean, I'm happy.
It's patina.
Negative 32 out of 100.
I'm hoping for the day
but
when
it's fast, bro.
we get maybe one of us can convince that one of them and pretend to be a judge one day and be like super cool and just be like, be like super chill about it. Like, you know, so they won't see my tattoos. I'll wear like a blazer or something and I'm like, yes, sir. I'm here to be a judge today.
Yeah, you come.
You know, you come in.
Top hats,
yeah, and then
after
you get like signed off to be a judge, you know, you go out, then you wear like a wife beater and you go out there and like everybody see like a chest hat and be like, bro, that's sick. Boom. You don't even use the grading chart. You just write A+ on it.
A++.
Put a giant check mark.
Bro. I was like, this guy.
110%.
This guy parties. He's in.
Yeah. For like the dope ones.
Yeah. I was like, this guy's in. He parties. Like.
Maybe we should do our own concourse, bro.
We should. That would be kind of dope.
The driver division.
Yeah.
The driver division concourse class.
Mods only.
Who's got the coolest car?
Yeah. The coolest modded cars only.
Fastest car. Have a dyno.
Exactly.
Everything.
Like, bro, blow it up. Blow it up.
Okay, who makes the highest horsepower?
Exactly, right?
I'll be lit.
Yeah, I mean, you're right. Those events are so stuffy, and I'm not trying to talk trash because I know there's people who enjoy it.
We
but
are
like,
talking trash, though.
We are.
And we're going to go to it anyway.
You know, that's a disclaimer. But I mean.